Howdy who, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. I'm Tall Mike. It's Wednesday, February 3rd. What's going on in the markets today? Well, the Dow Jones is actually down about 100 points. NASDAQ's kind of flat. A lot of people think this market is going to crash. They think it's going to crash. Look, I'll agree with them. We are in a bubble, but we're not going to crash. Not yet. Why? Because we're going to print more money. We're going to go into more debt. Debt is fueling this market. Debt is what's pumping it up. Biden's going to start off with $2 trillion, but he's not going to end there. He's going to go another $5 trillion this year. That's $7 trillion. That's my prediction. I bet I'm right. But that's why the market can't crash yet. Don't get me wrong. A crash is coming. The mother of all crashes. Probably going to drop 80%. But that's not until later in the year. Probably around the beginning of summer. That would be my guess. Somewhere between maybe June and August, let's call it. The market will come down, but it's not going to come down yet. We're still going to pump in the money. The environment is more debt, raises up the market. Now, why do we need more debt? Because the economy's in free fall. We're going to stimulate it. We're going to send everybody checks. We're going to send them a $1,400 check, maybe followed by a $2,000 check. I don't know, but I know we're going to pump money into the economy, and that's going to make the market go up. The economy's going to continue in free fall, but the market's going to head higher. We're going to hit new highs soon. Now, can we have a pullback? Absolutely. Pullbacks are welcome. Remember, we're in a buy the dip environment, but we're going higher. We will hit a new high before the mother of all crashes comes tumbling down. And we are going to see the mother of all crashes. Believe me, it's going to be this year. We're going to get the biggest crash you have ever seen. Now, what I want to talk about is silver manipulation. This is disgusting. This is disgusting to me. All right, what happened? What happened? Well, the Reddit boys, they went after the SLV. They went after some of the miners like First Majestic Silver, which is AG, and they went after HL, ECLA. All right, so they went after these, and they're buying the physical silver. Now, they're actually smart to be buying the physical. Buy the physical. Buy the silver eagles. These are physical. You want these. All right. But what happened? What happened? The silver manipulators, let's call it JP Morgan. I'll tell you who it is. JP Morgan. They come out and they put pressure. They put pressure. The central banks put pressure. All right. Silver had a move. Right? It went from about 25 on the SLV up to 27. What is that? Not even 10%. Not even 10%. But these cowards, and I'm calling them cowards because that's what they are, they start to change the rules. All right, let's look at the COMEX first. The COMEX is the futures markets. Futures markets, I used to be a future trader, so I know about this stuff. All right, so you can put like $500 in, and you can control like $10,000 worth of a commodity. $500 can get you as much as $10,000. You can get 20-to-1 leverage. All right, so these people are coming after the silver market. They're buying silver. But what happened to the COMEX? Well, they came and they said, well, no longer can you put 500 to get 10,000. Now you need to put 5,000 to get 10,000. They raised the margin requirement. So what do these people that are levered have to do? Well, they have to sell. What does that do? It brings down the price of silver. So they hit the COMEX market with higher margin requirements. What they do in the regular stock market, the SLV. In my trading account, one of my trading accounts is E-Trade. All right, so I'm in the SLV. Now, I do trade on margin, I do trade options, but I wasn't levered out on this. So anyways, but they send me a notice anyway saying that the margin requirements for the SLV have been raised. Well, that's ridiculous. Now, a lot of the brokerages, they were limiting the number of shares you can buy on the SLV. Now, this is not even a big move. This move is less than 10%, and they're telling you they're going to limit the number of shares that you can buy? Really? Really? That's disgusting. They are cowards. They see the momentum going. They see what the Reddit boys were doing, and they want to stop the momentum. Why? Why do they want to stop the momentum? Because JP Morgan has a major short position, and they want to cover their short position. They'd love to cover it down at $15. That's where they want to push the SLV down to, $15. Well, personally, I'd like to see that. It's disgusting the way they're doing it, but down there it would be a gift. But the problem is when this SLV is down at 15, physical silver is still going to be above 30. Now, physical silver did not come down when the SLV came down. Did not come down when the spot price came down. There's two markets for silver right now. There's the physical market, and this is the prime physical. This is what you want. Silver Eagles. Silver Eagles right now. The market is still at $40. You cannot find these from a coin dealer below $40. $40. Okay, but we got the spot price of silver down at 27. Now people are going, wow, that's crazy. Why would I pay 40 for a silver eagle when spot's at 27? Let me tell you, there are two markets. It's like buying Apple and Amazon. They're different. They're different. They're not the same. The physical is what you want. This is one market, the real price of silver. The real price of silver is $40. When this gets down to $15, oh my goodness, I'll put all my money in it. Put all my money in it. It ain't going to $15. It's going higher. People think I'm an idiot. They think I'm old. They think I don't know what I'm talking about when I say to get some silver. Silver is cheap here. Silver is cheap. Okay, I know all you guys in Bitcoin. You're making the money. You're making big money, and that's great. You're out of the system. That's perfect. You want to be out of the system because the dollar's going to collapse, and that's what's going to push these up. But I'm not an idiot. Here's why. Okay, I was buying these for $18 last January. January of 2020, I was paying $18 for a silver eagle. Right now, they're over $40. Okay, that's over double. Over double. Now mark my words. Mark my words. My prediction. This is just a prediction. This is not financial advice. But this $40 that you spend today, next January will be going at right around 100. Maybe higher. Maybe higher. You want to get the physical market. You know, these could be going 100 and SLV could be trading at $15 because they can slam the SLV. They can slam it. You know what else they did that was really, really disgusting? They came out and they downgraded the mining stocks. They downgraded the silver stocks. They downgraded them. Silver's going like this and they come out with downgrades. They're cowards, I'm telling you. They have to control, and they can control. They can control the paper. They can control the SLV. They can put downgrades on the miners. They can put margin requirements on the COMEX, but they cannot control the physical silver. This is the real spot price. I don't care what that spot price says, $27. Really? Really? You want to sell me your silver eagles for $27? I don't think you do. No, I'll buy them at $27. I'll buy all you got. All you have. But no. Silver, the real price is right around 40 right now. All-time high is 50, but right around 40. Now, a year ago, silver eagles were going for 18. But right now, they're going for 40. And they're going to go higher. You don't understand the different market between the physical silver, 40, and the paper silver, which SLV is. I don't know if SLV is even required to hold silver anymore. No one audits them. They're audit free. You cannot audit the SLV to see if they actually have the silver they say they have. I don't think they have silver. I really don't. They have $8 billion market cap with zero silver. That's what I'm saying. Until they show me the silver, that's what I'm saying. Let some come in and audit and see if they have that $8 billion. They do not. They do not. That's why they can put as much paper into the marketplace as they want without buying one more ounce of silver. For every one of these, every ounce of physical, there's over 200 ounces of paper silver. And paper is just paper. It's not silver. It's not silver. Now, anyways, what do we got with the Reddit boys? The Reddit boys, they're getting spread kind of thing because they want to keep GameStop going up, which has crashed now. GameStop was at 500, it's below 100. Now maybe it gets another rally, and I don't know. But I do know that GameStop is not worth the money at 100. GameStop's going out of business. It's like buying Blockbuster Video. Why would you? They have one store left. They're done. It's over. They're closing. GameStop's closing all of its stores in California. Okay, they're just going away. They're like Blockbuster. They're going to go out of business unless they reinvent themselves. And they are not worth $100. Silver, the Reddit boys, this at $40, a steal. A steal at $40. Look it. Here's why. The money printing. Okay. Last year, these were 18, now they're 40. Why? Why? Because in the last year, we have inflated the amount of dollars in the economy. All right, 20% more dollars are in the economy this time of year than it was last year. All right, 20% more. Now that inflation hasn't even hit prices yet. Your prices are going up 20%. And believe me, they're going to put 30% more in this year. Under the Biden administration, they're going to inflate the money supply by 30%. That's 50% in 2 years, and that means your dollars by 50% less. That's why silver is 100% more than it was last year. And it's going to be 100% more next year than it is this year, in my opinion. Okay, what? So, yeah. The silver manipulators, they disgust me. They disgust me. Putting limits on the number of shares you can buy in SLV is criminal. You know, just criminal. Okay, I used to be a fan of Robinhood and the Robinhood traders. Move your accounts. Move your accounts. They are just changing the rules on you. Comex traders, you're future gamblers, I get that. And they change the rules on you by increasing the margins. All right, you're in the mining stocks. They put the downgrades on. They can downgrade all they want. As silver spikes up, the real silver, the spot price of silver, not the $27, the $40 spot price goes up. You'll see. These miners are a great buy here. It's a gift when they downgrade them. So this is just my rant for the day. I hope you're having a good day. I don't think the silver trade's over. Matter of fact, I'm buying. I'm a buyer at $40. I'm a stacker of physical. Now I'll trade that SLV because I know what they do. I follow it. I watch it. I know what they do. They spike up. You sell some. They slam it down. You buy some. Okay. That's what you do. All right. So that's the SLV, and that's physical. And I'm Tall Mike. If you like this stuff, give me that thumbs up. Why not? Why not? If you really like it, hit the subscribe button. If you want to learn how to play the markets, go to stockmarketgambler.com. I'll give you my secrets for free. Get out there and do some trading and have a great day. I'm Tall Mike.